Right now I'm doing my eyebrows and I'm using this little e.l.f. brush, and I forgot just how much I love this one to clean up the concealer on my under my eyebrows. And these are all e.l.f. products, y'all. I forgot how much e.l.f. stuff I have. And when I got my little special box, the mystery box the other day, and it came with another blending brush, I'm like, let me use my e.l.f. products. This is the sponge that came with the box, and I am using that on for my makeup today. And I'm pulling them out because look, this looks like it's dirty. I need to clean them up, but I'm going to use some of them in the process. Okay.
So beautiful babes, in today's video, what I wanted to share with you all is, if you've been following me on my other channels, y'all know that I have my anti-foundation thing going on where I no longer wear foundation. However, I am in love with my favorite concealer right now, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use Warm Honey. I want to make sure, I need to check to make sure that that is the right color, but it is amazing for those little areas where I just need a little cover up, like under eyes, maybe in the middle of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on the sides of my mouth, and right above my top lip there. This is the one that I use, LA Girl Pro Conceal. And the other thing I wanted to talk about, you know, if you have mature skin, foundation sometimes doesn't always work. It creases in all the wrong places. So removing the foundation is probably a great thing. Again, just using a little concealer where you need. Now, when it comes to this e.l.f. sponge, I don't know the official name of it, but I'm just going to talk about it. In using it, just a little damp. It's not wet at all. It's just a little damp. I'm using this for highlighter, and a lot of mature women do shy away from highlighter because they think that it doesn't work, it doesn't go. No, you can glow it up even mature, but the best way to put it on is not with a dry brush, but use a wet sponge. That way it can melt right into your skin. Make sure you don't use any major glittery kind of highlighters, just something simple. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, just giving you a few tidbits right from my beauty room to yours. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see y'all on the next one. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know you did by dropping a like on it. And please, please, oh, y'all stay looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.